you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before.
Welcome back to the channel, or if you are brand new here and this is the very first time you're ever seeing me, what's up? I am Jen. I share all things health and wellness here on the channel. Anything I do to level up my own life, I share with you guys in hopes to inspire and motivate you to do the same. So if that sounds like your jam, make sure to subscribe before we jump into today's video. All right, guys, we're back out here with humidity at 100, but we're gonna go ahead and roll on into the video. We have a meal prep video for you guys. I know you guys absolutely love meal prep videos, which I do too, because it just saves us so much time and sanity and helps us hit our goals that much easier, right? So we absolutely love a good meal prep. This one is a little bit different because this is a travel meal prep. If you guys have caught any of my recent videos, you know that we are going out of town for a Tony Robbins week-long business convention, which I could not be more pumped about. We will be in the convention center for anywhere from 10 to 12 to even 15 hours a day. They're like crazy long days every day, jam-packed for 5 days. We did the Tony Robbins Unleash the Power Within, I think back in March, maybe, in Texas. So we have a good idea and understanding of kind of how it goes. And they do have like food vendors and stuff available to you there. But meal prep is much more beneficial for our bank account and our goals. So we're going to be meal prepping a few different things. We're going to be prepping some fruit. We're going to be taking a bunch of snacks for the drive and then the entire week while we're there for hubby and I. So I'm going to take you guys through exactly what we whip up for our meals, exactly what we're bringing for our snacks, all of the things. I know a ton of you guys travel either for work or just with your family, and that always seems to be a struggle or pain point for a lot of my clients is, what do I do when I'm traveling? And obviously if you're flying, we're driving and it's only a few hours away, so it's not like a crazy long trip. And if you're flying, obviously that can be a little trickier, but where there's a will, there's a way. And if you want to get it done, you absolutely can, and there are ways to work around it. So I'm going to show you what we are doing to make sure that we have all the things to help us keep trucking on our goals, thriving, and have an absolutely killer week while we are out of town. All right, beauties, let's go ahead and jump into this travel meal prep. We are keeping it super simple. I know I repeat that over and over and over in every video, but it's worth repeating because I find the majority of people are stressed for time and keeping their sanity. So if you need simple, easy ideas that are quick, convenient, all of those things, and help you hit your goals, then I'm your girl, because that's my jam. Also, I'm incredibly busy. I wear a lot of hats. I juggle a lot of things in the air. So keeping it incredibly simple is key to me. But let's go ahead and dive right into what we are going to be whipping up. I've got some minute rice. I get this huge thing of minute white rice from Sam's Club. It's literally like $5 for this big thing. It lasts forever. Got a couple packs of the 93% lean ground turkey, some Greek cream cheese, which is 4 times more the protein, half the fat, 1 can of Rotel, diced tomatoes and green chilies, garlic powder, Kinder's buttery steakhouse seasoning, and then some green beans. But before we jump into cooking this meal, I also have a couple frozen chicken breasts that I just tossed in the crock pot here. To them, I added some taco seasoning and then some of this street corn seasoning. I got this thing from Aldi, and as you can see, I am like pretty much gone of the street corn seasoning because it's so good. And I'm just going to pop this baby on high, let it cook for a few hours, shred it up. Bam, one protein option is done and ready to rock and roll. Cooking chicken in the crock pot for meal prep is the easiest thing ever. It doesn't get any more simplistic than this. But while we are letting that cook, we're going to go ahead and prep the rest of this stuff up. So this only takes 5 minutes, so we will wait and make that a little bit later. We're going to go ahead and start browning up our ground turkey. And you guys know I always am forever apologizing for the washer and dryer going in the background. And today is no different. Your girl's always washing clothes, especially when I'm going out of town. The whole house has to be spotless. The laundry has to be done. That's just how I am. My brain can't like rest easy unless everything is done. Let me know down below how you guys are. But we've got the pan warming up here. Just spritzed it with a little spray of this avocado oil. Now we're going to dump our ground turkey right in there. And I'm going to break this up a minute, let it start cooking, and then we'll add the seasonings. Half of the block of cream cheese is in there. I'm just going to melt it down and mix it in till it's nice and creamy. Then we're going to add our Rotel. Cream cheese is mixed through. Now we are going to dump our Rotel in there, mix this up, let it simmer on low for a few, and then we'll get the rice and the green beans cooked up. All right, beauties, our ground turkey Rotel mixture is all done. Our chicken is almost done. So when these are finished, I'm just going to package them up for tonight. We are actually leaving tomorrow, and I don't want to separate them out into containers and pack the coolers and all of that until till in the morning before we go. So I will show you everything as I pack it up tomorrow, as well as all the snacks and all the goodies that we are bringing along for the trip. 4 hours later, and look at those beauties. They smell phenomenal, they look phenomenal, and yes, 4 hours later we still have laundry going on. But these are done. Gonna shred these babies up, and then we'll get the rest done in the morning. Alright guys, I'm going to quickly run you through all of our travel goodies, all of our snacks, all of our supplements, all the things that we need to take on the road. One, for snacks while we're driving so that we stay out of gas stations, grabbing things that are not the most beneficial and saving us money in the long run, which is a win-win. So first with our supplements, if you guys have seen it in my previous travel videos, you guys know that I always take all my supplements with me, and thank God they come in convenience travel packs. It just makes life easier. So I have all my greens and reds for me and hubby so that we make sure that we stay up on our digestion and gut health, especially while we're traveling out of town. You don't want to get any sickness or anything, and these definitely help. So we've got our greens and our reds, we've got our microfactor packs, we've got our Armor colostrum that I add in my water, and our full mega. So we've got all the supplements we're bringing. We're bringing a couple different American Dream nut butters because they are just a great snack and we love them. May throw a couple other flavors in there too. I have a 10% off discount link if you guys want to check any of those out, always linked down below. We've got some K-Cups just in case they don't have ones that we like, and then some vanilla Premier protein shakes. That's what we use for our creamer in our coffee, so we will be bringing those. We've got protein chips, pistachios for the hubby, edamame beans, some love corn, tomato basil rice cakes with some of the sweet and spicy chunk light tuna that I get from Aldi's because I love that snack and it's a good high protein option. Some Skinny Pop popcorn, all kinds of jerkies just for a quick protein option. Of course, some protein bars. We have some of the Fit Crunch, and then we have some of the Built bars. I'll actually throw a couple more puffs in there too, just so that we have them on hand. We will be gone for the entire week, and these are for hubby and I and on our drives there and back. So I'm making sure that we are fully stocked up. And then for some sweet goodies, we've got some of our cookie thins that you guys know we absolutely love that we get from Aldi. And then got this from Aldi too. This is the honey pecan drizzled granola bites, gluten-free, absolutely delicious. So we're going to bring that with us as well. So that's all the snacks and goodies, and then I'll show you what else we're packing in the
Took a chance on a good thing, yeah. Now I got you on my right wing. Making love like it's casual, and you text me in the morning, you're available. Am I dreaming? Can't believe I forgot this feeling. Finally found the one in my life that I wanna be with. No more seeking. I'm sure I'll always choose you first. You're my baby, it's true.
Alright guys, I have a little stand-up cooler here that we can roll. It has a handle to roll on it. I have all the meal prep inside, have the fruit right on top. I'm just going to shove ice packs all around it, down on the sides and on top. Zip this baby up, throw it in the vehicle, and then as soon as we get there, we're going to transfer it all to the fridge and we'll be set and ready to rock and roll for the week. And here's all the stuff that we are packing in the cooler with ice. You know we're stocking up on all the Celsius energy drinks. We're going to do a bunch of protein shakes. So we'll be good and stocked up. We're going to load a bunch more ice on there. Alright beauties, so that is a wrap for this meal prep travel edition. I hope this helped you guys out. All of you that travel a ton for work or going somewhere with your family, again, where there's a will, there's a way. You don't have to prep out every single meal like I did, but you could batch cook some protein so that you have that on hand as an option. Take some snacks with you. Anything that's going to help you stay on course while you are traveling is going to be a win. And again, it's not only going to help you stay on course to your goals, but it's also going to help your bank account and just grabbing crappy options while you're out and on the go. So a little preparation up front saves you on the back end. So can't recommend meal prep enough. Whether you're traveling or not, it helps you just with time and sanity. And we need both of those to keep us trucking at 100, right? So if you are somebody that travels a ton, drop any ideas down below in the comments that may help other people that find this video and travel a ton and want to prioritize their health and their eating while they are on the go. We would love to hear it, share, help the community out. I absolutely love that, and we all can benefit from it. But I also wanted to remind you guys that signups are open right now for my 8-week group coaching program that's kicking off next month. You want to snag your spot now. You want to lock it in. If you are wanting to lose fat and you have been struggling, yo-yo dieting back and forth and just can't seem to make progress, this is for you. If you're wanting to just build healthy habits and a healthy mindset, this is absolutely for you. My programs are built to help teach you to get the weight off and then keep it off and it be sustainable and a lifestyle. We tackle all things nutrition, exercise, all of that. But an even bigger piece is tackling your habits and your standards and your mindset. That's going to be key to helping you sustain this journey for the long term. And that's what I'm here for. I want to help you build the habits to change your life and continue growing and getting better every single day that you are blessed to be here on this earth. So you get the exact roadmap to do that. How I have myself been able to lose 60 pounds and completely transform my body and my mind, as well as helping hundreds of other ladies do the same thing. So get in there, get in a community. Accountability is the glue that ties commitments to results. So having that accountability of a coach and of a group, teammates, absolutely will help propel you forward. It will help build that momentum that you need, help build the education that you need, the execution that you need. This is for you. You're not going to lose it all in 8 weeks, but you're going to gain the knowledge, the guidance, the accountability, the community that you need to be able to lose it all and to reach your goals of what you truly want. If you have the slightest desire in your gut, in your heart, that you believe you are meant for more, that you believe that your health can be leveled up, your mindset can be leveled up, your body can be leveled up, and a byproduct of that, your family leveled up and your circle benefiting from it, because we just can't give our best if we aren't our best. I know I sound like a broken record with that, but it's absolutely true. If you're feeling tired and fatigued, low energy, not motivated, not any zeal or zest for life, then making the choice today to jump in and make a change is what you need to do. inwithjen.com, everything's linked down below. You get a ton of goodies with it. I'll pop the graphics up here. But again, the biggest thing that you get from this is the knowledge and ability to learn how to execute this on your own and to be able to make these standards a reality in your life and maintain them for the rest of your life so that you can continue to grow, continue to evolve, and continue to level up. Feel good in your body, you look good, you feel good, right? So that's our goal, to help us all level up together and get the absolute most out of this life that we have. Because again, we have one life, guys, one shot, one time, and we want to make the absolute best of it. We want to feel our best while we're doing it. We want to be able to give our best while we're doing it. So lock in your spots. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to me. I always have everything linked down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody else you think it may be helpful to. Subscribe before you leave. I hope y'all are out there absolutely crushing your day. I love y'all to pieces, and I'll catch you in the next video.